In this question, you have to identify the term that refers to the process of separation and purification of expressed protein before marketing. Option A, downstream processing. Now, downstream processing refers to the process of separation, purification, and formulation of the expressed protein or product after it has been produced in a bioreactor. And it's a very important or critical step before the product can be marketed, ensuring the protein is of high quality and it is free of impurities. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, bioprocessing. It is incorrect because it refers to the broader term that includes upstream, that is culture cells to produce the product, as well as downstream processes. Option C, post-production processing. It is incorrect because this term might describe similar steps, but it is not the standard term that is used in biotechnology. Option D, upstream processing. It is also incorrect because upstream processing involves all the steps that leads to the production of the desired protein, such as cell culture, then fermentation or optimization of conditions for the product expression, but not its purification.